ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Puli Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Ka Sorkar Jilla hakish photrik unaitung arachar phosao klarai ban Khang Khyrdep no yak Meghalaya State Housing Board but ban pinlut pisa hado hinyo point sa puar klur na kabenta ban siu yak voluntary retirement scheme shikikat prangut kinong tre jong ka board. Umintri rang ba ka Jilla kontrak ke sangma hakijing keran ba kala pathai ka board ulit ho ba ka kinhur menteri kala menjur yak ni gajing terwa ban Khang Khyrdep no yak housing board ba ban siu yak VRS shikikat prangut kinong tre.
The decision to dissolve the Meghalaya State Housing Board and of granting the voluntary retirement scheme to the employees of the Meghalaya Housing Board. As you're aware that this is a long pending decision, and a lot of the employees in the housing board have been requesting that this be done at the earliest. There were some calculations to be made and certain areas to be kind of ironed out. So all those things have been done, and this agenda was brought to the cabinet today, and the cabinet has approved this particular proposal to dissolve the Meghalaya State Housing Board and to grant voluntary retirement scheme to the employees of the Meghalaya State Housing Board.
How many employees, sir?
There are 18 of them.